Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, H sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Capricorn. What are the messages and what's going on. 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords. Six of Wands, Queen of Swords and the Moon. Temperance, 10 of Cups, the Lovers. Page of Cups. Some apology, some communication, some message is coming in your way, Capricorn. Yeah, someone is coming back with an apology. I'm getting here. Yeah, maybe you both, maybe some fighting between both of you was happened in past, but they're coming back with an apology. So let's see your reading. Maybe for some your person is immature. Maybe some children's also involved in this connection. So your recent past, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords. Your money is very good, was very good in past and right now also. You are getting financial stability. But in relationship, maybe you are juggling between something, maybe had your heart like that situation. 2 of Pentacles with 5 of Swords. Maybe your person lied to you, cheated on you. For some it could be third party situation also. There are some disturbances for some, misunderstandings, like because 5 of Swords is here, backstabbing type of energy. Yeah, money was good but you are juggling. And then present, 6 of Wands, Queen of Swords and the Moon. You are getting recognition for your hard work and you are getting success and everyone is recognizing for your hard work. 6 of Wands and you are very attractive person. Lot of people attracted to you. And Queen of Swords and the Moon. Something is mysterious in this connection. You want to know. Maybe your person hiding something from you. For some you hiding something from them. Something is mysterious because the Moon. Some illusions also between you and your person for some. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Sagittarius or Pisces. Because the Temperance and the Moon card is here. And in near future, maybe you cut them off. Because Queen of Swords, you stand by your power. Because you deserve best. Maybe your person is non-committal. They want when they come. They come when they want and they go when they want. That type of energy, on and off connection. That's why there is no, maybe there is no commitment. That's why you cut them off. You stand by your power, Queen of Swords. Near future energies, Temperance, 10 of Cups and the Lovers. Yeah, I think they are approaching you to offer this stability, this happy family with you. They want to marry you. Marriage and commitment is coming, 10 of Cups, happiness. Because they love you, the Lovers card is here. Definitely there is love between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. But patience is the key here because balance. Maybe you are super balanced. You are in your total control, Temperance. I think you are patiently waiting for your person to come back. For some, patience is the key here because you cut them off. For some, but they are coming back with an apology. But patience is also required in this situation right now. But this happiness is coming towards you, Capricorn. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But especially Gemini, Pisces and Sagittarius. Yeah, under the deck, 5 of Cups. For some, it could be separation between both of you. Yeah, your person feeling sad. So let's see your person current feelings, Capricorn. First, then we will see their actions towards you. So Capricorn, your person current feelings. Lot of cards. Two of Wands, Death card, and Four of Cups. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also, and Princess of Wands, again communication, message. Yeah, they may, one person may be younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking. Maybe your person is very good looking and attractive. So Two of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, I think they're missing you so much. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. Death. Maybe your person undergoing some spiritual transformation. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Yeah, no contact situation. Four of Swords. Knight of Wands. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. Nine of Pentacles. Your person is very abundant and they are financially stable also. Maybe right now your person working towards their career stability. Yeah, Four of Swords. Right now you both are in no contact situation. There is a lot of passion involved. They're coming back with a lot of passion, and this time they really want to work on this relationship because Eight of Pentacles, but it is very stable, slow and stable offer. Yeah, but right now you both are not talking because Four of Swords energy. Maybe your person undergoing some spiritual and meditation state, but they are thinking about you a lot. Here Four of Cups also. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. King of Pentacles under the deck. Yeah, they really want to offer stability to this connection, and this time your person is very sincere. Four of Wands with Nine of Swords. Yeah, you both could be twin flames also. Your person missing you so much, and Nine of Swords energy. Maybe they are in depression and anxiety type of energy. When they are alone, they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing their nights over you. What I'm getting here. Yeah. That's why they're coming back with an apology. Maybe they're realizing your worth if you're in separation. After separation, they're realizing your worth. So let's see from your side. Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Wow, see, you both are perfect couple. Yeah, right now there is tower moment for this connection, separation. You both are missing each other. You both have strong emotions for each other. That's why you are also waiting for your person to come back. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. See, couple. Yeah, you both want each other. Definitely this relationship, there will be reconciliation because King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. And yeah, they are missing you. Definitely they will make a move towards you. And Capricorn, you also want your person back. But Temperance is here, but in divine timing. Definitely they are coming back. Right now, Four of Swords energy, your person. In near future, they will approach you. Some communication is also coming in your way. Yeah. Yeah, one more card. Yeah, you both are thinking about each other a lot. Two of Wands. Again, this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, they're coming back. Knight of Cups, but in slow moving energy. They have strong emotions for you, Capricorn. So let's see, Capricorn, your overall energy for the week. The Fool. Brand new beginnings. They're coming back with an apology. Wow, mutual love and strong bond, unbreakable bond between both of you. And Ten of Swords. Still you also want rebirth in this connection. Even though for some you moved on, but still you want rebirth. Yeah, there is mutual love. Strong bond. You both could be soulmates also. Twin flame soulmate connection. For some it could be twin flames. For some it could be strong soulmate connection. Yeah, brand new beginnings. Let's see from your person side their overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles, they want partnership. They have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups. Still they are hoping new beginnings with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. And the Moon. Yeah, there are some assumptions or illusions between both of you, but once the communication will open up between both of you, then automatically those assumptions will be gone away. So yeah, there is reconciliation for some, because Queen and King, you both are very abundant and powerful couple. You both are financially very stable. Yeah, I am saying communication. They are coming back with an offer, with an apology. Then it's up to you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. This is the message from Universe, Capricorn. So if you are losing any hope regarding your dreams, don't do, because have faith in your dreams. Definitely your dreams will come true. Be consistent and do hard work. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.